Faith.
Faith, are you ready? Yeah. We're gonna shoot this lone one. That's this one that's gonna hit us.
Okay. Sean, if you feel like you can hit him, hit him. Or wait, let him land in here. Faith, shoot at him. Go, Faith. Go, Faith, go. Shoot him, Faith. Shoot him, Faith. Yeah!
She got it! Faith, look at me! I got that was awesome!
Oh my, safety! Rudy, we can still shoot one more, I think.
No, we're done.
Let's count them. Faith,
Way to go, Faith.
Go hold it, Faith. Get it. Go grab it.
Get her on, Faith.
We get 20 now, then we can get Sherry's limit later. And we could buy...
Faith, go get it. It's having a little thrash there. Hey, there's a...
I think you killed it.
It doesn't matter if there's any more coming now, because that was a hell of a morning.
Faith, go get it and hold it. I got the video still running.
Sean, prototype.
Let's make sure we got 20. Is there one alive over there? Yeah, it's me. That'd be me.
Faith, get it. Rudy, you might have to help her if it's...
And she's like, I don't know where it is. And I'm like, it's right there, Faith.
No, and then she says,
I thought for sure the angle I was at, I was like,
grab it, Ted.
Right now.
Grab it, Ted.
There's a little opening.
Wonder how awesome it would be if you shot it behind.
Faith, come here. Look at me.
Bring it over here.
I'm kind of wanting a high five here.
Here, high five. Let me see that again. High five.
Nice shot.
Faith, come here for...
Here.
I don't want pictures.
You
I don't want